How to switch to back camera in Google Meet. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily switch to your back camera instead of your front camera in Google Meet. So let's get started. Just head over to your Google Meet application, and if you have already created your joining link or someone has sent you a joining link, or you can also call the particular person if you have available friends. So once you're inside here, just click on any of the join link and you can see there's a video icon, so you can also disable it just like this. So for now I will simply disable the video link over here, or video option, and simply join the meeting link just like this by clicking on join. So once you finally join inside the application, you can always enable the video option, and at the top right corner of your screen you can see, just toggle it backwards, and just like that you have successfully enabled the back camera from your Google Meet application. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.